Getting bigger breasts can be tricky and difficult if you don't know what you're doing. For this reason, most women try to take shortcuts and purchase different creams that do not work, wasting a lot of time and money in the process. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you the real way to grow your breasts naturally. To begin with, let's debunk 3 common myths. Myth 1. Exercise. Exercise does not grow your breasts. It only grows your pectoral muscles, which are behind your breasts. When you grow your pectoral muscles, your breasts seem bigger as they are pushed out. However, when you take your bra off, your breasts are just the same. Myth number 2. You can grow your breasts in 1 month. Your body has a slow process of changing. That is why people who go to the gym have to go 5 times a week and maintain a diet for months until they finally see the results they wanted. Your breasts are no different. Your body needs to process the nutrients you provide, and you have to give your cells time to regenerate in order for your breasts to grow. This process can take up to 3 months if done correctly. Myth number 3. Every woman can grow their breasts the same way. Our bodies are different from each other. We have different breast sizes, different age, different body type, and different genetics. For this reason, we need different kinds of nutrients to grow our breasts. That is why some creams work for some people and don't work for others. You need to find out what works for you, depending on what it is that your body needs. Now with those myths out of the way, I will tell you the secret to really growing your breasts naturally. Are you ready? Well, it's all about hormones. Have you ever wondered why pregnant women always grow their breasts? It's not because they're getting filled with milk. That happens after. It's because their hormones go crazy. Don't worry, you don't have to get pregnant to grow your breasts. All you need to do is provide your body with the same nutrients to trigger your hormones. You can do this by eating the right kind of foods and using the right kind of herbs on your breasts. There are 4 essential hormones that make your breasts grow bigger. Number 1, estrogen. Estrogen is undoubtedly one of the most important hormones for breast growth. It is the main sex hormone in women and is essential to the menstrual cycle as well as the hormone uniquely responsible for the growth and development of your breasts. You can increase your estrogen level by eating plant-based foods that contain phytoestrogens, such as seeds, flax seeds, and sesame seeds, fruits, oranges, and strawberries, vegetables, carrots, kale, and celery. Number 2, progesterone. Progesterone is a steroid hormone that is important for your breast growth as it contributes to breast development right along with estrogen. Estrogen first induces the enlargement of tissues within the breast, and then progesterone ensures that tissues develop proper functioning within the breast to aid in breast development. You can boost your progesterone level by eating foods that contain vitamin B6, C, zinc, and magnesium. Foods such as bananas, seafood, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, watermelon, chickpeas, spinach, and black beans. Number 3, prolactin. Prolactin is responsible for storing fat in the breast by increasing the production of lipoprotein lipase in your breasts, which is an enzyme that works to store fat. It is typically secreted during the first few days of the menstrual cycle, sometimes producing noticeable changes in the breast tissue during these days. The best way to increase your prolactin level is by applying Purea mirifica cream on your breasts. When it comes to women's health, this herb stands out thanks to the high amount of phytoestrogens it contains, which mimic the same effects as your body's own hormones on estrogen receptors. Number 4, growth hormone. The growth hormone stimulates the growth of cells, tissues, organs, muscle, cartilage, and bone. It also aids in tissue repair and cell replacement, as well as the maintenance of the female sex drive. As you grow older, your body begins to produce less growth hormone. But there are things that can help increase the release of this hormone in our bodies. Things such as exercise, sleep, and increased estrogen levels. When it comes to raising your hormone levels, you have to be careful on not creating a hormonal imbalance in your body, which can be dangerous. Growing your breasts is not just about increasing your hormone levels. Successful breast growth is all about the interaction of your hormones. For this reason, I recommend that you follow the C-Cup code where you'll find out exactly at what time of the month you need to raise certain hormones to make your breasts grow, as well as a step-by-step guide on how to create the perfect conditions in your body for maximum breast gain. I will place a link in the description below if you want to check out the C-Cup code formula to get the breasts you've always wanted, no matter what breast size you're starting with or how old you are. That's it for today, ladies. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you know any other foods or herbs that increase your hormone levels, and if you want to keep watching videos like this, hit the subscribe button. See you later!